Hello, this is Priscilla Batzel. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Flute Art Studio Gallery, and I have a pan full of colors from my previous painting that was for the Color Art Winter Dreams educational event, and I want to use them. I'm not sure how this is going to go, and I'll list them underneath the video. But I really don't want to waste them. They're beautiful. I do scrape off the bottom of my shovel every time. Sorry if I'm out of your vision. And I will put up with my little missing drag marks because they make some very cool gaps. They make excellent negative space. I want to put it back on my canvas. I'm not even sure I can use it all up, but I'm going to give it a shot. Fun colors, really fun. Not used to wearing gloves. This is like my second time ever. Wish I could get the rest of those beautiful colors down out of the back. I probably could with the Princeton Artil Kettle spatula if I were clever, but I don't know if I'm that clever right now. I've got some beautiful green. If I stop and rest my shovel for a second, I can get some lines out of it. And I have a little scoop I could be trying to use too. I like the lines. I don't know what possessed me to use as much paint as I did. I love the shapes inside the colors create. I never know what I'm going to get. And I could probably really use some negative space. I don't make any conscious effort to pick specific colors. Well, sometimes I do, but it's pretty rare. And then I can dribble everything or anything, and I can dot. I need that dancing fuchsia Purely Pigments to come out. I really love that color. I'm almost ready to dribble. I got one more scoopful. And then I can pick up as much paint as I want to and dribble it. I'm not sure I'm going to be happy with it, but I'm going to give it a shot. Am I going to give it a shot? I guess I am. Here goes nothing. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, so I can leave my paint heavy if I want to. And I think I'm stuck with whatever I've got left, and that is that, with the exception of me wanting to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and some of this green paint, because it looks to me like this should be a flower base. Right here. There's nothing to keep me from using that Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Yeah, that's cool. To grab a little more paint and fill in here and there. Nope, nope, nope. Changed my mind about where I wanted that to go. What else do I need? I need to wipe that off. Grab some beautiful paint. And put a couple more dabs here or there. Because I can. And I can't see any reason why I shouldn't. That's the name of my first book, by the way. It's right next to my second book on the Amazon link, called Unlimited Possibilities. And there were a lot of colors in the first part. So the list is probably going to be pretty long. I'm trying not to drip as I go. Where else do I need anything? I don't think I need anything much of anything else. But as I say that, if I see something, you can't trust me. So I love you guys. I hope you check my channel out, and I'm looking for subscribers because YouTube takes them as fast as I get them. And the ones that are there have been there so long, and I'm not even sure that they come and watch because they lost track of me at some point in time. You know what? I don't mind that. Alright, I'm going to call it good. Tell you guys I love you. See if my phone is here somewhere so I can shimmer this at you. That was fun. That was definitely fun for me. No stress. No need to make a pan of colors. Way fun. Thank you for joining me. I post at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do have a chopstick, so if I decide that I want to do something like dip into my paint and fill in a few gaps, or even add dots, which is something I do love to do, and I'm not sure why I didn't yet. I think dots are the thing. I definitely think some dots are in order. Although that was not necessarily a dot. Yep, I love the dots. Even as I hold my phone like a fool. Couple more and I'll be done, I think. Did I tell you guys I love you? I do. I love you. I appreciate you being here. Thank you to all the members of my channel. You're keeping my channel alive, and I so appreciate it. And it's delivery food 30, so I've got to go. Please give me a thumbs up, and knowing that sharing my videos helps me out, and watching them longer is the only thing the YouTube algorithm responds to. I will see you when on. This is Priscilla Batzel in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. Bye for now. Priscilla out.